What is up, y'all? I'm about to go wakeboarding on the boat for the first time in like a year pretty much. I actually went like once, like 6 months ago kind of. But yeah, gonna head down to Lake Austin with Rocker and Jeff Langley. And then I'm gonna bring out Nick LeDuc. I'm gonna have to go wake him up real quick. But yeah, I ride the Murray 139. That's the board I ride, just in case y'all wanted to know. But yeah, it's been a really long time and hopefully we don't crash too hard. I'm gonna grab some breakfast tacos real quick. This Canadian doesn't like them, so I'll just take him to 7-Eleven or something.
I'm vegetarian, bro.
They have egg, potato, and cheese.
Okay.
All right. Pulling up to Rockers right now, and it looks absolute butter down there.
Dude, so much butter. Everywhere butter. Oh, don't fall in the lake. Holy shit, that's them.
What's up, boy?
What's up?
You have all these words as soon as I start filming you, you're all out. What's that on your ear?
That's an earring.
Where's Langley?
He's about to arrive in this motorized vehicle that floats and pick us up, and then we're gonna go wakeboard in the most cold water. I'm not gonna say what I just said.
Why?
Because it's just, there's little children out there that don't need to hear that.
You're a child. Look at you.
You can do a Moby Dick first try.
I reckon 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. We have one trick that he can do consistently.
I only got one?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
First try?
Yeah.
Oh, 10 out of 1 for sure.
You won't. And hopefully that guy over there doesn't bust out his jet skis. And this guy over here doesn't start surfing. And that guy doesn't start surfing. Because we're at the wake surf capital of the world, unfortunately.
Should we rock, paper, scissors for who has to go first?
My rock is stronger than your paper and your scissors.
No way.
Yeah, I promise.
No way.
It's so cold. My feet are freezing too. What's up, dude?
How's it going? How have you been? I haven't seen you in a long time.
I know I'm going first, but can I just rock, paper, scissors you to show you who's better?
My rock and scissors is stronger than your paper.
Yeah, I know. I'm going first.
No.
I'm going first, but we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for fun.
Okay. No.
Go.
No, I'm not. I don't trust you.
I'm going first.
All right. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. But you're still going
I gotta go first.
You got too many places, bro.
It's really cold. We're gonna go right over here.
How long is that?
75.
Good, man. Whatever speed you think's good, man.
Okay, just let me know if you want to go any faster.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Don't go into hypothermia.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go water sticking.
You gonna ride better than I just did?
I sure hope so, because that was pretty pitiful.
I hope so too, 'cause that was really
I mean,
bad.
your Moby Dick was pretty good. I'd say that.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to do some more boat riding and
Yeah.
get back into things.
All right. I don't know the words of the song. I just know what it sounds like. Oh my God.
Good luck in there.
You ready, Langley?
2018.
Huh? I think I did it twice as good as you did. Maybe 3 times.
Probably. I agree. I rode pretty piss poor. I rode through the typhoon also.
Isn't this friendship great that we can tell each other how bad we suck when we ride? Isn't that just great?
There were a few things you did in there that I didn't really like either.
What didn't you like in my set? My ungrab, roll the blinds?
Couldn't make it wake to wake on a 75-foot rope. I meant to say 70. I would jump for the dog. That's my old house. Had to sell it for something bigger. What are you gonna do for us out there, man?
Oh, I don't know yet. Rocker's driving, so probably not too much anything.
You cold? Woo.
Try not to be.
Try not to be. Tell me something. What trick are you gonna land on the first go? Big old chromo.
You want a chromo first hit?
Will you?
If you want one, yeah.
All right, first hit.
Yeah.
What, nose grab?
Sure.
All right. Ah, too easy.
Bottles of champagne and sparkling wines are perfect for adult.
Pour your sweetest rosé. Whether you're hosting or just bringing the cable, phone, water, you name it.
That's how we do it. You gonna go again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Shut up.
Is that a dad bod right there?
This is what Rocker's going for.
He's pregnant.
Oh my God.
You're getting pretty close.
We got 2 dad bods, 1 boat. I think there's only one dad on the boat.
Well, you may have a kid, we don't know yet.
Hey man, don't mess it up. So pretty much this is the same exact straight that I was riding on earlier, and now it's absolute butter. And as soon as I started riding earlier, it was just garbage. And then everyone else got sick water. Just finished up riding with this guy. We're both a little rusty. I'm way more rusty. But yeah, we're done on the boat. Was a good day. Subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.